Game of small margins as Kurek can't quite line up against Jabal. This time too high. Look how high Zadnje goes, right over the top of Robert Hughes. So another set point 3. Slovenia, they lead by 2 sets to 1. That's sloppy from Slovenia. Poland have a real opportunity, not taken. Katovice is off the side of the block. He's very patient. Cover from Kozmernik. From the outside once more, looking for the hands, but to no avail. To the middle. Oh my word, Kozmernik. And it's Leon that he goes after again. It was deja vu from earlier on in the set. Defending deep 6, massive opportunity. Slovenia get themselves even. They've done it the hard way after a slow start, but can they cause a massive upset? No wonder the ball goes to Leon. Kubiak with a great pass under pressure. Leon has been blocked out. And the challenge has been an unbelievable one. Kubiak out of system. It has to go back to Kubiak here. He's got one up on him. This is a huge opportunity. The touch is in a good place to the wing. Is there a touch of the hands this time? Line judge says out. Referee goes to the challenge. It could not be any closer. Match point 10. Kubiak passes perfectly. It goes back to the captain, high off the hands. This is the best opportunity Slovenia have had for some time. In or out? It's in. Heinen is looking for a challenge here once again. Attack line fault. There is no attack line fault. Slovenia in the Lions' den have upset Poland and knocked them out of Eurovolley for a 4th consecutive time.